Hey folks, no here, back with another video, and today we are going to be over the 4th gear. So I believe all you get is a masterpiece token, which is pretty cool. I have been wanting to have a masterpiece, I've already owned loads of masterpieces before. I've just traded them, so okay. I see how it is. I don't know why I'm just clicking on all this stuff. But today, guys, we are going to be doing something really, in my opinion, really cool. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making a really ugly look, and I'm going to be blind dating on Animal Jam. So, let's do that. So first, we need to create a really ugly animal. But first, we need the gems to do that. But I don't really need to buy anything. I can just turn. Okay. I can just turn some. Okay. Let's turn this lion into, because lions are one of the most unpopular stuff played. So I'm just going to put on some random items. Yeah, I think I've got it. And then just do like, I don't know, stuff that doesn't really match it. There. Make this look. And so now we're going to go into a popular server, which, Alvin. Oh yeah, I can't be tempted for playing the Forgotten Desert, guys. I just can't be. Anyway, I might get some of these stuff to put on my den. Anyway, getting off topic. And then we're going to go in here and say, feed me. Oh, okay. Who thinks I'm attractive? Who thinks I'm attractive? Oh my god. Everyone's just core rejecting me. That's me. I've seen, oh my god. He's saying, oh yes. Oh yes. I've seen much better. No, you. Okay, then let's switch into a really cool animal and say, do you think I'm attractive? And now let's say who thinks I'm attractive. You smell like cottage cheese. What the hell? That's so mean. Oh my god. Oh my god, everyone thinks I'm so... What, you still think I'm stinky? What the hell? You're so mean. Jacking from my list. Ooh. You're so mean. I like what the hell? That's so mean. You're stinky cottage cheese. Oh my god, that is so sacred stone. What the hell? Anyway, that is so mean. Now I'm just gonna keep on switching between these two. Your list is worth one necklace. Oh my god. Who thinks I'm attractive? Now let's. Oh my god. And now let's say who thinks I'm attractive again. I'm just gonna keep on saying this. It's so gonna be simple. These guys are so... You need Jisu's. What the hell? Oh my god. Cows and... Oh my god. Who thinks I'm attractive? And anyone who, like... I'm just gonna, like, go to gym. No, you. Wait, what? Who will go out with me? Who will go out with me? Not me. Oh my god, these guys are so mean! This is probably not blind dating, guys. This is probably just saying testing my beauty. You are so mean. I love Bogey Tutu. You are so mean. Like, who thinks I'm attractive? All I want is a simple, too much stuff. All I want is a simple yes or no. Not nasty comments. God, these guys are so mean. You know what? I don't even know what to do anymore. Like, people in Seripia Forest really grow on their attitude. Like, why did you even bully? Oh, no, not you. Why did you even... You need Jesus. I do not need Jesus. Thank you very... Why are they saying you all need Jesus? Y'all need Jesus. Okay. I see how it is. I see how it is. Now let's make ourselves into a beauty. Oh, God, that looks terrible. Just make ourselves into a real beauty. Make us to the real test, you know. Get these guys in high gear. We're gonna power through. And then now. Wait, and then now. Aha. Ha! Now do you think that I'm a beauty? Now let's do it again. Who thinks I'm attractive? I just spilled cotton candy all over my face. Still, who thinks I'm attractive? Ooh, Shark or Bunny. You're like Jaws. I'm just gonna, like, nobody! You guys are so mean! Oh my god! You are so mean. Oh my god. Who wanna play a game? Not with you. You're mean. You're mean. You're a mean old jammer. I'm getting away from Seripia Forest. They are just so mean, guys. I don't think I can ever stand to face my fears in Seripia Forest again. Wait. Now let's repeat the same thing in Temple of Zeus. Who thinks I'm attractive? I bet like everyone just says, oh my god, you're so hot. I'd like to date you. I'm actually gonna trade my best for her green lawn. And then I imagine I can just get 2 green lawn. No. It's gonna... Because she's actually one of my friends. Anyway. I'm just gonna buddy everyone here. Oh my god, okay. I see how it is. You're beautiful! Oh my god, we were destined to be friends. She's my best friend now. She is my best friend. We were destined to be friends. We are destined to be friends. We are definitely destined to be friends. Like, I could just like... Oh my god, what are you thinking? Everyone is beautiful, no matter what others say. Oh my god, go say that to Seripia Forest, Del Fox, go! Oh my god, I'm buddying you. Your quotes blow me away. Like, literally. Who would not want you as a buddy? Like, everyone. Oh. Everyone's just, oh my god. Why am I so attracted to Rez? I really need to sort out my manner, guys. I don't really care about Rez anyway. I don't know why I'm saying that. Okay. Oh. I don't want that. Oh my god. You're really nice. I don't know why anyone could not want Del Fox go. Go date him. He's nice. Oh my god, you know what? I'm gonna say to him, do you think I'm attractive? And like he said something like, no, only rares are attractive. And I'm just gonna be like, oh my, what? And I'm just gonna be like, oh my god, you're so mean. Now let's try Jamar Township. That's where everyone goes. Jamar Township. I feel like, would this video be cool, guys? Should it be like, okay, I see how it is. Should I like say so, testing my beauty on Animal Jam? Or like, these guys are so mean. I like should say that. Let's go to a Pondle. And now, let's go into here. Oh my... I don't know why I just did that. This is so annoying. Am I not beautiful enough to go in? Am I not beautiful enough? I'll tell you what, let's go into the Soul Arcade and then let's go into Jamar. I feel like, oh my god, I cannot even get into Jamar. I don't even know why I'm bothering. People always hit me anyway. I don't even know why I bother with Animal Jam anymore. It's so weird. Anyway, oh my god, this could go really well with my look. Oh my god, I just really need to save my gems. I don't even know why I spend my gems. You know what? I'm just gonna go to the diamond shop and transfer all my diamonds to gems. I feel like I can desert. I feel like that I deserve enough gems, that I have 35,000 now. I can now buy anything I want. Like, this will go so well with my luck. How could no one resist this hot beast? Just look at that, just look at that booty. That is a nice booty. I'm not sure if that's even appropriate, but let's go buy some stuff. Let's go buy stuff I can borrow out out back. So some nice stuff there. I just can't get over that booty. That is a nice booty. Again, not even sure if that's appropriate. Let's get these snowflake decorations. I think they give that kind of a festive look, don't you think? It's turning about to be a horrific den. But I'm probably just gonna, oh my god, this is such a terrible den. You know what, I can't even bear to see it like this. I'm just gonna make everything go away. I can just live in a Christmas house. I don't need anyone in my life right now. I can just survive. I need my chocolate. I don't even know how Animal Jam even managed to bring themselves to even make it. How could, like, no one resist this den? Like, I could just eat everything here. Like, this would be like everyone's dream den. I don't know how anyone could even resist it. I mean, I don't even know why anyone could resist that booty. Still, not even sure if that's appropriate. Probably get blocked anyway. Like, not being appropriate! But you know, I don't really care. I really, really want to go to Gemality Jam, but I really need to go. I can't really. I have to go now, God. I have to do homework now because I've got a history and a German exam coming up right now. If I don't revise, I'm gonna fail probably. And then I just can't lay about on Animal Jam as much as I would love to. I can't. So bye guys. See you in my next video.